Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to meet the president in Taxi Boss on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First, you need to understand the president is a special passenger, not someone you see right away. You must progress in the game before you can meet him. Play a lot and on many. Do not rush, do normal taxi jobs, pick up passengers and complete rides. The more rides you complete, the higher your level and reputation goes. On iPhone, tap the garage, then tap upgrades. Focus on passenger quality and comfort. The president only appears for high-level taxi drivers, not beginners. If driving around the city and unlock new zones, special passengers like the president usually appear in advanced areas, not started zones. Now this part is very important. Watch your map. When the president is available, you will see a special or rare passenger icon. Tap it fast because it does not stay forever. When you pick him up, drive carefully. Do not crash. Do not drive crazy. Smooth driving increases your chance of completing the ride successfully. And that's it. That's how to meet the president in Taxi Boss on Roblox. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.